Hi, thank you very much. I'm so glad that you could join me on this learning journey. In this mini course, we have a few learning goals. One, I want you to be able to appreciate the power of publishing an op-ed article to help your career. Learning goal number two, we're going to talk about tips on writing a strong piece. And three, I want you to get started with an op-ed article with some easy to use tools. And learning goal number four, we want to learn together some tips and tricks on how to get it published, how to market your piece. There are essentially 5 units in this mini course. Unit 1 is the power of publishing an op-ed, where we explore and list the benefits of becoming a thought leader. Unit 2, we're going to try to define your target audience. So who is your audience? And Unit 3, the elements of an op-ed piece. We're going to break down the structure and list the elements, essential elements of an op-ed. And I'll offer some tips as well there. Unit 4, we're going to talk about some easy to use tools on how to speed up the process. And finally, Unit 5, we're going to explore some techniques on how to market your piece and how to get it published. So I encourage you to explore the template and optional readings of this mini course. That is, if you want to dive deeper into each of the units. Thank you very much. Let's learn together.